Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all can hear me. I know some people are already in the chat, which is great to see. Cool. So we're just gonna do another live paper trading thing. Once again, just a disclaimer, like no financial advice. I'm paper trading, and I know last time I tried it on Bybit, but I figured this time around it's also just despite the lag that Bybit created the last stream. It's also just they also had like severe price differences. When I tried to enter a position, it showed me that I was like in the red, even though on the normal charts I was in the green, just because of price discrepancies and everything. So we're gonna paper trade on TradingView, so there's none of that. And yeah, so I think just like we did last week, we're gonna just go about it like we're scalping. Because I don't think like an hour, 2 hours is long enough to show swing trades. Although that's what I typically focus on. So yeah, hello everyone, welcome. How is everyone doing? And I guess we can start off with Bitcoin just to like see what's going on. I usually like to use, it doesn't matter what chart I use now, I guess, but or yeah, because we're just trading on TradingView, but I do typically like to use the coin margin, just to get a bit, just because I think it has better setups and bigger players generally trade on core margin. Okay, so let's just take a look. Higher term time frames. 4 hour. Okay, so it is coming up into this fair value gap. Still hasn't filled in just yet, along with this value area high. So we're just gonna wait for this level to play out. I just want to extend, see if I can extend this line. Get the most accurate. Cool. So I'll set an alert for this line, and if it comes up to here, actually I could probably set a limit. Although that's not what I typically like to do. I guess since I am paper trading, I will put a limit here for 22611. Sell bids, and we'll no take profit just yet, but we'd take our put our stop. Actually, no, I don't want to do stuff I wouldn't normally do. So I'll just set an alert for that level. Cool. Let me take a look at ETH as well, where the trades would be set up. Ethereum. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. Nothing clear on the 15-minute chart, and there's nothing clear right here. I do think there's a potential that yeah, let's just set an alert for Ethereum to be right here, back at this point of control, previous support resistance as well. So an alert right there for a potential short position. You can do Sol. I would say throw stuff, throw things out, but you all are, doesn't seem like there's that many viewers compared to last time. But go right ahead and feel free to throw things out. Solana, I believe we were talking about this today. I think we're actually on the USDT chart, just because generally all coins have better liquidity there, especially during the bear market. Yeah, I was expecting this to come and fill this fair value gap all the way up to here. But if we are scalping, then I would look for just a retest of this level once again, and then we can take some short positions off of that. Just real quick TA. Nothing too crazy. Seems there's a lot of things are dropping around, especially coming into the daily open, so hopefully some of our alerts go up. Hello, Charles. What other coin do we usually look at? I was just looking at AVE the other time, where I'm still expecting it to come up. That hasn't occurred just yet. Gala. Okay, so you did break out of this range. Came up retested, so I would look for a potential short. Honestly, just up in here. Oh, can I make an alert? Did I max out my alerts? I don't think so. I have the highest package now. I should be able to set an alert. Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong. Getting this. There you go. Look for a pullback up into here, which would be your that would be your bearish order block. And we can also take a Fibonacci level just to confirm that level. So we also have 705 right in that range, so probably pull back up into 52.23 is what I would look for a nice short position to, assuming we reject. Hello, looks like everyone's strolling in. Now it's great to see. I'm just going over the charts, no trades just yet. Once again, I'm not trading on Bybit beyond just beyond the lag issues the last time that I'd rather not deal with. Also, there was just a lot of price differences between the paper trading and the live trading chart, so I just want to on the trading view paper trading, there's obviously no discrepancy, so don't want that to occur. So Bitcoin, oh, we were on the wrong chart again. We were on the other chart. Excuse me. Let's see. Let's see if we can retest this value or high, take a nice short position based off of this. We have been quite range bound and choppy for quite some time, so I think a move is yet soon to come. Hopefully, we can have some trades tonight. You know, be kind of boring if we don't. But what you guys think of? What do you guys think of UFC 279? Do you like the fights? Alright, so it looks like we're dumping. Maybe there would be something else. We can look at the big movers of the day as well. That would be no problem. Change percent. What is that called? Jasmine. Let's see. See if there's any long setups other than just short setups. Okay, well, I'm not going to trade a coin like that, even with paper trading. I didn't catch it bummed. That's alright. I mean, they switched the fights around in the last, before the day, so it was alright, I would say. Yeah. I don't know. H-bar. Is there anything here? I guess Dusk we can try with. Let's see. I think you definitely have a slight long potential coming off of this. I'll put an alert at the 786. Not necessarily that it might get a bounce there. We can take a little scalp long off of that position. Cool. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, I know the YouTube algorithm likes to push this type of content more for whatever reason, which doesn't make too much sense. But welcome if you are new. Let's get wrong chart. We have all of our alerts set, so I'm just waiting for one of them at least to come off. If they don't come off, then I'm sorry, I didn't find any trades. Unless you guys want me to have other coins you guys want me to look at, which I gladly will. But I think this is pretty good for now. Don't want to get too overwhelmed. I don't want any, especially with like the lag and everything. Also, I should probably say I apologize for everyone new that joined our Discord recently. What we're trying to do, and we're trying to implement, and like we'll eventually get there, is we're gonna like try to make like a tier list of traders based off of like how well people trade, and like the hot you will like move up a tier, like move up a level. And I won't grant you too much as of now. In the future it might, but like you can like move up tiers depending if like the people above you and the above tiers think you're capable of moving up the tiers, if that makes sense. So like the new people right now are coming in as newbies, and I apologize that Bum forgot to give you all permissions to the actual chats. So everyone that was new was unfortunately like couldn't see anything. So but I hopefully did fix that. I did fix it on my end, so hopefully it actually did fix. But yeah, that whole system is still yet to come. We're starting to slowly make the changes. Although we live in the same time zones, we have opposite sleep schedules, it seems like, so it's a little difficult to work together. Like I see him in the Discord at 3 in the morning. That's when I used to like get up for work. Like probably 2 years. A year ago at this point, but yeah. So nothing. Just watching the Bitcoin. Just wanted to come up to see this value very high. So take a rejection. See if it rejects. I have alerts all over the place for other coins. I'm gonna wait. Let's see. No coins you guys are looking at? You guys take any trades today? Throw it in the main chat in the Discord just in case someone does actually. Seems to work better sometimes. Well, the Litecoin, that actually provided us a nice trade setup as well the last time. I'll throw that on. Come on, the 1 hour. I don't want. It seems to really just be chopping around a lot. What is this, a daily fair value gap? Yeah. Alright. Let's just say ding dong. Bang. Just a 786 up here, but that's, I don't think it's gonna come up there really necessarily. I closed out a few shorts earlier on Raven, OP, and Adam. I'm in a BNB log now. Cool. Let's actually take a look at BNB. Am I the only one that like finds it extremely like, I don't know. It's been pleasant to trade, kind of like. It's so like, just because I think like crypto's died out obviously because of the bear market, and like ever since we put in that like $17,000 low, whatever it was, I forget the exact number, but it's just been like everything's been like calm, nothing like erratic. It's been like when there aren't trade setups, it's like it's obvious that there aren't trade setups. When there are big trade setups, it's been pretty obvious. Like things of that nature. So it's just been, I don't know. For me, it's just been like maybe that's also just because I'm like I don't know, getting better as well or something. But it's been just a nice calm. My entry is 291.25. Actually, yeah, maybe we can take a little scalp on that as well. I don't know. Let's see. I kind of just thinking while I was looking at it. 291.25. Damn. You got like pretty much the bottom. Jesus Christ. Good job. Oh, okay. I understand what's going on here. I understand. Yeah, this is gonna get interesting to the downside. Yeah, real quick, but not short-term time frames necessarily. So let's just take a block profile. Say like this to this. It's fine. Yeah, I think a long position for now is a good idea. I'll set an alert for this fair value gap down here, even if it does come back that low, and then I could look for a long position. Is everyone excited for the ETH 2.0? Feels like I've had like we're waiting for like years. I don't even know how long it's been. When I first like got into crypto, they were talking about ETH 2.0. So at this point, yeah, it's almost been like that long. Like before the $64,000 off came in. So it's been a while. Boring, 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 boring. Atom, you look at Atom, I guess, if you took a trade off of it earlier, maybe it's doing something now. I see something's holding. Just a longer fair value gap. Or what was it? Daily term time frame? Low volume node. Okay. This actually might become an interesting long opportunity. Bit risky, of course, but this I'll actually just keep on the live charts. I'm interested in this. Extremely micro range, but that's all right. Okay, that is our value area low. Alright. Sounds good to me, like a really miniature scalp. Oh, BNB is crossing that level as well. So let me do this. I'll put the stop at 15. 2.5. Oh no, I'm selling this. Oh no, I'm buying this. Yeah, hold on. 2.5. Go. Cool, and buy Atom Longs. Cool, and I wanna. Ooh, did I do it? I did it. Cool. Wonderful. And then we had a BNB as well. Alert go off. Oh god. Okay, yeah, maybe Bybit is the better idea. Because I know how to use Bybit. BNB. This might just break down. Did Bitcoin break down itself? No, not too much. Alright, we're fine. I'll just go back to Atom Long. The BNB didn't seem to play up too much. Cool, and then we can set our take profits as well. Seems like we're in the green. I don't know how many I put. Fill price, quantity 10. Cool. So we are in the green. Wonderful. I wish it would show you where you longed on the actual chart, but we did long off this candle right here, which was this value. This, like, once again we're scalping, which was the 618 as well as the value area low. So we are in the green. It seems. I don't know how to scroll this way. Can I scroll this way? No. What is this? There you go. By 20 cents. Cool. I think that might be what this is, but not too sure. But we're long, and I'm gonna look for a rejection off of this point of control right here, and then we can take a little bit off. Yeah, let's actually. 421. No, sorry, 425. I'm a little confused by this. What is this? Do I have to just manually close all these out? I think there's an option for it, but level on your chart. Settings, trading tab. Thank you. Settings. Trading. Ah, cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Okay. Looks like we might get stopped down on that episode. Alright. That's alright. We didn't get stopped down on one, but that's alright. No problems there. Is Bitcoin really dumping out? Did we miss that move? Oh, yeah, alright. We really are. Alright. Well, that sucks. How's Ethereum holding up, if at all? Yeah, man. Looks like we missed all of our opportunities to space off the open. Looking pretty bad. Oh, this is our own chart. Coin. Yeah, we're gonna come back and fill all these gaps down below. So I guess I can set an alert down here. ADA. guess we're coming down to our lines. We just set an alert. Cool. The annoying part about this is now we're just gonna have to wait. FTM. Yeah, fill this fair value gap. Where do we break market structure? Down here. We can look for back up to here. Didn't get that just yet. Oh, I don't want a long. Especially on this liquidity of a coin. IOTX, we looked at today. Come back to fill this fair value gap down here. Wonderful. Just put a little alert. Oh, picked the wrong time to stream. That's alright. So we're gonna have a waiting party until it comes down to these levels. Bitcoin itself, which I think is fine. We get to just chill a little bit. Hope that's not there. Where is Bitcoin heading though? Yeah, probably down to here, assuming it breaks out of this range. And then we get the slight bounce, and then hopefully at that point that's where all the altcoins are, where they fill their gaps. Where is CryptoBum is the real question. Of course I can look at ETH. No problem. Oh. 30 minutes. 1 hour. You got this gap down here. I mean, you might get a bounce off this high. I'm looking for this though. 1646. I'm looking for the first little bounce. You sell her. Oh god, it's dumping. I'm starting to get the alerts that everything's going down on my watch, so. Yeah. ETH decreases by 5.66%. Since when? 5.66%. Last 24 hours? Not even. In the last 2 days? Alright. That's how they get you. They just say. They don't give you a time frame. They say, this has decreased by this amount. But in what time frame? A month? A year? Getting a set alert for Bitcoin as well. We'll just put it at the 618 right here. Bang. Cool. Oh man, I'm beat up. Mad tired myself LOLing on again NMA collab. Yeah, I'm feeling the field. I had I'm in the metabolite phase of my training program at the gym, and it's pretty rough. Did a 55-minute workout today. Yeah, that I do like an hour and a half, 3 days a week. It's pretty rough. Keto and I am dieted. I don't know what I am diet is. Oh, wait a minute, no. What's I am? I don't have a diet, I just eat crap. "16-hour fast. I'm up to intermittent fast." Okay, yeah. I've done intermittent fasting before. I guess it helps like weight, like you have to wait to eat, so it helps. Like, I don't just eat all day long, otherwise that's what I would do. But if I was like, yeah, I think that's the only thing it really does for me. I don't know. I just eat a bunch of junk and get enough protein in, and that's fine. Is everyone enjoying this music? Does anybody want to play different music? At this point, we're just waiting for the things to come down. Was it a push day? Was it a pull day? What type of workout did you do? Crypto Life. Oh god, we're down to 1 viewer. I'm sorry I'm sorry that the market's boring. I apologize. There's not a lot of trade setups right now. The trade setups are all below us. I guess I shouldn't have streamed. But I make the mistake of hitting go live and then looking at the charts. If they don't come down to our targets in a half hour, I think I'll call it quits. but they should come down. Crypto bum, save the stream. Yeah, so my two trade setups are going to be up here or down here. These two little. Boom, boom. Hello, Crypto Hideout, Crypto Bum. It's good to see you here. Finally making it. Why didn't you come to the earlier stream? We're just waiting for things to dump down. Then we're gonna look for some more scalp long opportunities. But if it doesn't come sooner, then I'm gonna have to call it quits. Unfortunately, this is the name of the game of just waiting. Sometimes when you miss the move. But to be fair, it wasn't even that big. I mean, it's a pretty big nasty candle, but it wasn't that big of a move. Well, I guess 1%. Now we have 6 viewers. Oh my god. Things jumped up very quickly. We just had 1, now we're at 6. Oh my. How is everyone doing? Just waiting for things to come down to our targets, and then we're gonna look for some long opportunities. Nothing really beyond that. Can you put the link to our Discord server in the chat, please? I believe it's still wrong in the description, unfortunately, for whatever reason. We are bouncing off this 786 a lot. I wouldn't put too much weight on it, especially breaking it on the 1 minute. I'm still looking for this retest of this value area high up in here. Before anything else, I was looking at another video and just jumped back. Yeah, that was a pretty nasty drop. 1% just out of nowhere. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Just waiting for it to come back to one of these levels, something. I have alerts set on like 8 different coins at this point. Thank you, CryptoBall, for doing that. I'm trying the intermittent fasting myself. The keto is too hard, like bread too much. Keto is a little, yeah, keto's a little extreme. Like if you're trying to like just lose water weight, then obviously, yeah. If you're just trying to lose pure weight, for whatever reason, I don't know why you're trying to do that, but yeah. I mean, also like, you're competing in something, but yeah. Intermittent fasting, I've tried too much. Weekly VWAP, only got support so far. I should probably also have the VWAP on. Yeah, there you go. Daily VWAP. You might get a short scalp opportunity, actually. You can wait for that. Wait for a short scalp opportunity up in this region. Come on, Bitcoin's come up a little bit more. The market. So how many do we want to sell? Units? Is that enough? Trillion? Oh, that's the maximum. We're becoming rich. Paper rich. There you go. Well, I'll be interested in this little. I don't think it's gonna hold, but if it rejects off the daily VWAP. Not convinced just yet. I'm just gonna let this one candle play out. Then I'll take a short scalp opportunity. I think it could still. Alright. 22351. That's what my stop loss to be. 35.5. And I'm gonna scalp. Order rejected. I think that's probably because of our $10 trillion units. Please contact your broker. 100 Bitcoin. We've shorted 100 Bitcoin. Wonderful. Just first take profit will be down here. And then we're looking for targets way below. We're already up $250, $400, $500, $800, $1,000. Oh my god, guys! Imagine if you could make $100 Bitcoin trades. All right, this is going pretty well. So this is where our short actually was. Change the settings so the trading view will show us where we entered. But yeah, let's see. Usually I take like 2 losses and then go, so if this will be your second loss, then I guess I will also have to go. These are pretty weak trades to begin with. I'm kind of just trade searching at this point because I'm streaming, but see. Just rejection off the daily view up is all I was looking for. All right, pull back right at the daily. We had it daily open. You know, did our little quick whack. Then the move for the session and pull back as expected. Rejection off the daily view up makes sense. You could also probably expect a rejection probably up here if we do break out of this daily view up. But until then, yeah, don't know. Oh my. STC? Don't know what STC is. What is STC? USD? I don't know what that coin is. I apologize. What is STC? What is that, indicator? It does look to be an indicator. A better MACD. Huh. I've never tried this before. Let's give it a whirl. Good for scalping. Huh. I will definitely look into this more. Oh, well. Alright, we got stopped. Kind of expected. Ugh. This is interesting. I kind of want to look at this rather than looking at this boring ass market. This is definitely very interesting. So it just shows you which way the MACD is crossed, I would assume. Come back if it was for about yet. Is this open source? Can I look at the source code of it? Probably not, right? Oh no, I can. Let's see. Huh. Okay. Why do they make this? Why do they put their variables like this? Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll definitely check this M one. This definitely looks interesting. It looks cool. I'll definitely give him that. Like, it's definitely interesting. Seems like divergences also play out well. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm definitely gonna look into this more. It's very intriguing. There. Maybe in higher volatile coins. Does it work better on other coins? Probably. Something like Gala. All right. I mean, you could probably pretty easily just look at that accuracy of this, of just making this a strategy and just seeing how accurate it is, like the green and the red. So just like short when it's red, short when it's red, take profit when it's green, then long when it's green, take profit when it turns red. It would be take like 10 minutes. So not even, but alright. Well, I'm honestly getting pretty tired at this point. The market's not going to give me easy trade setups, or not easy, but just preferable trade setups like we had the last time. I don't want to waste anybody's time. Especially if we're just going to sit here and wait for my 2 targets to get hit. But I gave you them, so hopefully you also have them marked out on your chart. But I hope you all have a great rest of your night. Hopefully, I think I'll be able to do one tomorrow as well, and hopefully then they'll actually be tradable. So I hope you all have a great rest of your night. Remember, links in the description below, actually links in the chat for our Discord server. If you want to trade on Bybit and you want to help support the channel, just click the link in the description below and sign up through there, and you get 30% off your fees to help you also trade, save some money. So I hope you all have a great rest of the night, and I'll see you all tomorrow afternoon for our daily stream, and I'll see you all tomorrow night for another daily training session. So I hope you have a great rest of the night. Thanks, guys. Bye.